Hi there and welcome back. Congratulations for having reached this part of our tutorial. We have covered a lot. In fact, we have gone through more than 70 videos, starting from installation to creation of hotel application. Okay, and we discuss topics such as transient models, wizards, and from time to time we also discuss the Odoo context. We have made applications to send email, uh, various reports, and also exported to Excel. We have a trilogy for the very long series. For sure, we did not teach everything because Odoo in itself is also evolving, and our experience is limited to what our project requires us to do. But I hope it brings you the confidence to start a project with Odoo. You have everything you need compared to when I started. So anyway, as a token of appreciation, I'd like to give you the code of the hotel add-on that we have created so far. I know it's not complete, okay, because it's only for teaching purposes. The complete application is being enjoyed by my client. However, you can expand this, no, to serve the needs of your own client. Okay, I have created a GitHub repository. This is called Odoo 19 Hotel Add-on, and I'm going to indicate the address to this GitHub repository on the link below. Now, the GitHub repository contains the My Add-ons folder, and it contains a README file. It's an installation guide on how you can run the application. Let me run you through this. No? So here are our requirements. We need Ubuntu 22, Python 3.12, PostgreSQL 18 or maybe 17 will also do, with pgadmin and of course VS Code running on Linux. We install Odoo 19 using the full playlist. I think the first playlist is required, the 16 videos, okay, for you to install Odoo properly. And then download this repository and copy the whole My Add-ons folder under your project folder. Okay, so you only the My Add-ons folder is copied. No? There are extra files such as README, and do not copy the sample OodooConf so that it will not destroy your OodooConf. No? You update your OodooConf to include the My Add-ons folder like this. No? Add-ons path. No? If you have Mac web theme, you include it there. You include My Add-ons. Okay. Install the hotel application and exit. No? So find the installation in the uh, videos that we have done. You can use the process that we use to install the Mac theme add-on, where we just run the Odoo server. Okay, set the developer mode on, and then go to apps, and then update app list, and then search for hotel, and then click upgrade. Okay, you have done that many times, no? And then exit. Don't use it first. You need to install the following Postgres SQL scripts using pgadmin. You open your database, no, in Postgres SQL using pgadmin and run the query tool. Okay. First, you run the insert hotel documents.sql. It will insert the guest registration, the room charge, the payment receipt, debit memo, and credit memo in the model called hotel documents because they will be used in billing. And then create the index for the registration conflict, and then create the function for getting the document number. They all start to 1. They are included in the rest.company, which we have upgraded in one of our episodes. And then the apply current room charge and the check-in, okay, to check in the guest properly. And then you install the check for registration conflict to find the room availability, and then create the hotel transaction report view that we will use in reporting and creating the Q web reports. You run the hotel application, play with it, okay, add sample records. First, you start with charges, add charges such as room charge is necessary, and then cash, visa. You add room charge first, okay, it's recommended. Meals, laundry, patronage discount, PWD discount, whatever charges that you can discover. You add the necessary room types and also the corresponding daily charges such as single, double, twin, and matrimonial. You add sample rooms belonging to these room types and sample guests. And then you can run the hotel registration example. Create a registration, reserve a registration, check in, maybe check out or cancel. Okay. Test the adding of charges and payments for check-in guests. You test the reports, the guest bill, and even the sending of email, okay, and so on. I hope you will enjoy this process. No? As long as you go through all the videos, it will give you the necessary tools to start an Odoo project. In my case, it was much more difficult for me because I started from scratch. I would like to wish you good luck on a lucrative and rewarding Odoo career. Now, before I end this episode, okay, I'd like to see what we had achieved. Okay, remember we tried to create a 4-part series, and then we have changed the sequence. We had to introduce the development process first. Okay, we have made an introduction in the first series, no, of what Odoo is. Uh, the first 16 videos are dedicated for installation, no, using the community edition of Odoo 19, and we have introduced the basic Odoo apps. Okay, and then we have done 2-part playlist, 2-part series for Odoo development. Okay, the first series is for the introduction part. Okay, so what haven't we covered? Uh, we haven't covered using the basic apps. So in the future, I'll just be taking a short break and then run you through this. And then a very important part also is how do you administer your users, because you do not give all users all access to your applications. No, there are users that have limited access, there are users that are administrators, and so on and so forth. So this is not the end. Okay, there will be more videos to come. Okay, aside from Odoo, there will be other fields. Particularly, I want to make a playlist on PostgreSQL because most web platforms nowadays use PostgreSQL. Even JavaScript, Next.js, and React.js, okay, they use PostgreSQL. There's a popular online PostgreSQL server. It's called Supabase. No? But if you are using Odoo SH, no, it includes a PostgreSQL service. Thank you very much for watching, and I'd like you to use my sample, explore the GitHub repository. Good luck everyone, and see you in my future videos. Bye bye.